Hello my dear students, in this lecture I am going to show you how to add a logo in your video. So without any further delay, let's get started. Look at, suppose in this video I would like to add a logo. Alright, now I will import a logo. To do that, hit on file icon, then pick import media and hit on import media files. This time I choose this logo and click on open. Suppose I want to add this logo in this position. That means finishing part of the video. So I select it, after that drag and drop it here like this. Now I decrease it. Now I click on this position. Now in this preview section I will double click on the logo like this. Afterwards set it as you wish like this. Suppose I want to set it right here. Then hit on OK. Now I'll check the video, guys. I'm playing. Yes, it's working nicely. Therefore, I believe in this way you can add any logo on your any video. Alright guys, at the time I want to mention you one most important thing. Actually you can add any logo or any picture on your video in different way. As we already knew the first process, now I'm going to show you the second process. Now I select the cursor in this position. Now I hit on title tabs, then pick any titles like this. I choose this one. Now set it as you need. Now double click on this layer, then choose advanced option. Now I'll delete all the element. Just select this block and delete it. Now choose this one and delete it, and finally choose the shape and delete it. Now look this option. This is add image option. By this option you can easily add any logo or image from here. Okay, I'm hitting on here. Then choose your any image or logo. Suppose I want to put this image. I choose this one and hit on open. Now set it as you need. After setting your logo or image, simply hit on OK. Now choose this title layer and set it as you wish like this. Now I decrease it by dragging. Follow me guys. Now I'll play the video for testing. Wow, it's working nicely. I hope you understand. Thank you very much for staying with me.